welcome back to the channel. This is the first update to my 2017 Golf R. It's a minor update, but it was one of the things that I think Volkswagen overlooked when they were making the steering wheel for this car when it comes to the DSG transmissions. So originally from the factory they have these tiny little paddle shifters just behind the wheel, and they're too small. They only stick up about like that much over the wheel a little bit, which is fine when your hands are like this, you got them here, but where it comes into a problem is when you're turning and when you're adjusting your hands, there's really not a ton of action there. So I went ahead and ordered me some Leyo Billet paddle shifters from Leyo Motorsport, the PD paddle shifters. And they're really cool. They're very easy to install because they just slip over the little paddle from the factory, and they come with a tiny little Allen wrench, and you screw them on, and there's just this little bar that little screw pushes up to kind of squeeze them onto the paddle shifter. Very, very simple install. Now, I think these actually look really good. I think they look the way the paddle shifters should have from the factory. Now, since they're metal and they're a billet metal, they feel really good to the touch. I wanted a nice quality paddle shifter, and one that kind of fit the interior very well. I've seen a bunch of others that are like bright red or different colors, but I think the black with this interior looks really, really classy and looks almost factory. The quality, they're a little more pricey than just, you can go on Amazon and buy some $20, $40 paddle shifter extenders. Some of them stick on, they're like glue on, and these are a little, you get what you pay for. The packaging's beautiful, they look really good, the quality's there, the install is easy, it doesn't put glue on your paddle or steering wheel, so it doesn't ruin them, and if you ever want to get rid of them, it's easy. You don't have to worry about any damage done to your wheel. Now, one thing that's nice is they just make the action of using your paddle shifters a lot easier, especially when turning. And just the fun of getting on it. This is still such a fun car to me when I get on it. So speaking of that, when I get on it, I actually did, as an update, I took the car to a track just to see what it ran in the quarter mile. Now when I bought it with all the things that were done to it already, with the APR stage 2 stuff done, I was guessing it would run like a 12.2 in the quarter mile, but I actually ran a 12 flat. So it was like 12.03, I believe, was my best time. I'll put a picture of the time slip up now. So overall, I was really happy with the time that it ran, and actually very impressed. Sorry I didn't get really any good footage. It was like a last minute decision to go run a couple months ago. My buddy shot a video of me racing a Rivian.
He got the advantage. Here he comes. See if we see some brake lights down there. Nope. Headed to the floor and broke out. Goes 11:51.
Now I'm at this dilemma because my car ran a 12.03. That means I'm this stinking close to an 11-second car, which is really cool. I never thought this would be an 11-second car. So, that being said, there's going to be a couple things coming that I want to do to the car to just try to inch it into the 11s. And I think it could be as simple as lightweight wheels. So I want to do lightweight wheels just to see if that will just nudge it into the 11s. And I'd be super excited with it being an 11-second car. And then from there, it'd be, you know, lowering it and making it look just a little bit better. I want to do a little spoiler, like something that attaches to the spoiler that's like little carbon fiber, lower it a little bit, make it have a little bit more presence to it, because those were my only real complaints about the car right now, is the paddle shifters, problem solved, and the look from the exterior. It's really unassuming, which some people really like, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted to have a little bit more presence to it, because it definitely has the power to back it up. So that's the update. Look forward to, you know, this is the last video I'm probably going to put up for the year, but next year, to do some different modifications, I'll take you to the track with me when I go to try to run my 11-second pass. Also, I want to take this to a road course. So I live in Indiana and Putnam Park. I believe I'm going to try to do a track day there, so that way I can get some track day experience, and you guys can come along with me with my first time going to a track. So that'll be really fun. Leyo Motorsports also makes a lot of stuff for Volkswagens, and one of those is lowering springs. I'm probably going to try their springs. I've always gravitated toward iBox. That's what I put on the Mustang, but I think I want to try a different brand, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on those as well, the Leyo lowering springs, and we'll see how they look and how they go. And so we're on the hunt for an 11-second quarter-mile pass. Got some mods in the plans for the future. Thank you for watching. Go check out Leyo Motorsports if you came to this video looking for a paddle shifter extender for your Volkswagen. I really recommend these. They have a really good feel to them. There's like a little lip on the back that it's just a satisfying feel. It makes the driving with paddle shifters in this car much more satisfying. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and looking forward to maybe getting more things from Leyo to see how they fit and how they work and how they operate. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you have a great